Hi, Boos.
Hello.
New hair, same pistachios.
Same pistachios.
Welcome to today's video. I don't know what we're doing today. Well, I do know that we're going to do a quick ALDI haul, a little keto ALDI haul to like fill in the gaps because we need like butter and cream, apparently dairy. And we're gonna go pick up our P.O. box because we asked, and you guys said that you wanted a P.O. box for us so you guys can like mail us things and we can like connect with you guys. So we're gonna go pay for that and do that today too. So if you want to spend the day with us and see an ALDI haul and see, I don't know, maybe downtown, I'm not sure.
We don't know yet.
Stay tuned to this episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
So guys, we came to this post office. Literally, did your post office just close for no reason at all? This is by far the worst post office that I've ever been to in my entire life. They close for no reason. They have no people who work. It's insane. So do yourself a favor. Do not come to this post office. They just close. Close. Oh, by the way, it's 1:47 in the middle of the day. Lunch is from 12:30 to 1. What? So
The post office is closed for the moment. So we're gonna go and come back. Maybe they'll be open later. We think they're at lunch. That's the only thing that it could be.
no idea. Comment down below. Does your post office just close whenever, just at will? You come in and the doors are locked and you're like, no one telling you, no sign, nothing, just close.
So second attempt, and not. So apparently, everyone quit the post office, and they've been closed all morning, well, all day. So it's weird. We don't know. They didn't put a sign or anything. So
Like, no sign, and the guy came out because he was helping this other guy, like, because he banged on the door, and he's like, yeah, like, no one showed up today, and then the one girl who showed up basically walked out at 10 a.m., and I don't know if she quit, or, like, and then, like, multiple people, like, these poor people, there are disabled people who are, like, struggling to get in there, and there's no sign on the door saying that they're closed or not closed, no one's helping them, and we've had like 3 people come in during the time and they were like, I haven't gotten mail in 3 days. Like, no one's delivering our mail. Are the mail people on strike? What's happening?
or is it just this post office on strike? We don't know.
What's going on? So
We have to do our P.O. box another
day.
Unless we can go to another post office. I don't know.
We can. All right, guys, we are headed to downtown Los Angeles, which, believe it or not, I have not really spent any time in at all. Like, at all. I think I've been maybe once or twice, but we're headed down to do some shopping. We need some pillows inserts, but who knows what we're gonna get. But we're just gonna show you guys downtown. We haven't filmed Jarrell tells me this is the spot.
It's like I guess the fashion district or the
Is it like Chinatown in New York?
basically that's what I've been comparing it to.
One thing
it's
I can like
Chinatown, and it's cheaper stuff usually.
like hats and t-shirts and all kind of like cute stuff. So we are on, let's see, this is Olympic and
Olympic and like
Santee. So yeah, we're gonna show you guys around. Also, just so you know, we have our masks and we have our hand sanitizer and we are distancing. As we just turned and it's like a flea market. It's cute. Undies.
you need.
Just some sensible under 24 pairs of socks for $10. That's amazing. Your jewelry, it's all here, kids. So we are at this fabric store, and see these pillow inserts? You can buy basically the inserts for the pillows, and we need 4 of them for the guest room because we got pillow covers, and we also want 4 for some in the living room. So yeah, if you end up getting covers, just know that if you go to a fabric store or a fabric district, you can just buy the pillows themselves. See, and they also have like, if you wanted to stuff them yourself, just huge things of stuffing, which we do not want to do. Alright guys, so we literally cleaned them out. They had 8 left and we took all 8, and they come nice and sealed in these pandemic times. So we feel good about it. Yay, we have pillow inserts. Now we just gotta buy covers for the living room. But at least we have them. Those are easy to come by. Alright, well, I guess it's back to the car with, oh, he's like a Santa. A Blanta. It's a black Santa. Guys, I was a black Santa for Macy's. It's true.
Alright, everybody. So we are headed home, but we decided that we'll give you a little sneak peek of downtown.
No Aldi.
Well, we're gonna go to Aldi after, but this is downtown.
Yes.
And so you see like the high rises and everything like that. And straight ahead is the Staples Center, where my finger is pointing. But yeah, so this is just downtown, you guys. It's really pretty. If we could only live down here one day. Oh yeah, there's the ESPN. I don't know what it is, like center? I don't know.
Building? ESPN?
But yeah, it's the restaurant, because that that's the Staples Center, and then that's like downtown's like little
in Palm Restaurant.
area.
We have those in New York.
Palm,
the Palm Restaurant.
Oh, there it is. You can see it now. We have those in New York. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll come back in a moment. Oh yeah, and there's a Ritz-Carlton.
Oh yeah. How cute is this Felix on top of the car dealership? Aww.
So right here we're passing by the new stadium. I wish we passed it, but you can see it. It's gonna be the new stadium, and this is pretty much where the 2024 Olympics will be held for the most part. I believe. Is it coming in 2024 here?
I don't know. Is anything coming?
Well, yeah, it may not. It may be pushed back to 2025 or 6 or something. But this is the LA Coliseum.
Being
like
built.
Newly remastered. Well, remade.
I was like, oh, maybe we can get a little sneak peek.
Yeah, it was already here, but they've torn it down and they're rebuilding it. But here it is. Yeah, it looks so nice on the inside.
Wow.
Yep. Nice. And we're off.
Guys, we are here. Alright, you guys. So, in case you don't know,
Cool.
there you go. Success. All right. Hello, Aldi. Okay, now Favor reminded us that, babe, look, they have pistachios and they're only $4.29. Oh, and they have, is this a bigger one? This is a really big one for only $6.
Huh.
Thanks, Favor.
Thank you so much.
Guys, if you haven't ever checked her out, Life with Favor. Totally dirty keto, but these 2 net carbs, they literally taste like Snickers bars. Getting them. Spinach is only $1.48, and you know my trick of freezing it, so I'm gonna get a couple of spinach, a couple for the freezer, and some for dinner staples. We gotta have this. This dry, spicy Italian salami is so good, and only 1 carb. I call it cheese because remember I was gonna make that lasagna for you guys with the palmini noodles. 2 carbs. That's great. I'm gonna pick up some Parmesan cheese. Guys, these are great. 1 net carb. Jealous. All of you find these atomic, like super spicy kosher pickles, and we never find them. So guys, they have these here, and they're super, affordable, and it says keto friendly, and they are. We use them, but this has 5 net carbs, and you can find them for 4 net carbs. So we're gonna get only 1 this time and try to pick up the 4 net carbs. I'm gonna pick up one of these. Their seasoned beef for tacos is so good. This one's only $9, and it's the whole flank. So yeah, $69 for their thick cut bacon. We love this. We're getting like 4. Jarrell is picking up all of our Kerrygold butter. Well, this is their version of Kerrygold. Only $2.99. It's a steal. The sausage I pick up every time because it's so low carb. If you guys look, come on, it is 0 carbs and it's on sale for $1.79. We're gonna get 2 of these, even though we don't know you're on keto when. All right, guys, gonna pick up some of these. They're 2 net carbs, and Jarrell loves this with cabbage, sausage and cabbage. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. Eggs, $1.39, limit 3. Apparently still low on eggs, but we got some. You guys remember, we could not find toilet paper at Costco, so this is only $6.50 for 12 rolls. So we're gonna pick them up. hopefully Costco has them. We also picked up some Tide. It's only $2.94, so we were like, hey, we never tried it. Why not? So this is where paper towels should be. Ugh. So even though we have so many of them, these are 79 cents and none of them are lemonade, which is like our favorite. So we're gonna pick up a few. And guys, only 79 cents for their brand of ice. So guys, you know we always get this. This is what we made our lo mein out of, and there's a limit too, so we always pick it up. So there's black bean soy edamame, and we get the soybean spaghetti. They're organic soy, and about 7 net carbs, so they are keto friendly if you can fit into your macros. So I'm gonna be making my own tomato sauce to can with meat, and so we're gonna get some tomato paste, some crushed tomatoes, definitely some diced tomatoes, and we also need some tomato sauce, which is so cheap, only 24 cents. Another Aldi shopping success. It came to about, I think, $110, which for the amount of stuff we got is amazing. All right, guys, so this is our keto Aldi haul. You see we got 2 of the elevation bars, we got the Parmesan, we got tons of tomato products, but that is only because I am going to be canning my own bolognese or meat sauce, our own spaghetti sauce, because I buy Rao's just like everyone else, and I literally don't know why I am doing that when I can make my own meat sauce and have dinner in minutes. 2 of the sausages. We also got this carne ranchera. I got 4 of these because there was a limit. 4 of the diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano. 4 of the tomato sauces, 2 of the tomato pastes down here, and then 4 of the regular diced tomatoes. I'm actually making a dinner tonight that is going to be a rice pasta, a low carb pasta with tomatoes and feta and spinach, and I'm gonna have that like a Greek style with Greek chicken. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. That will be soon. 3 bags of fresh spinach. We also got the organic soybean pasta that we always get. Jarrell's pistachios. We cannot be without Jarrell's pistachios. 4 things of heavy whipping cream. 4 things of their version of Kerrygold butter. 1 ricotta cheese because I am going to be making that palmini lasagna. We got our keto tortillas, which may go in the freezer. 2 of these kielbasa sausages, which we're going to do with cabbage because Jarrell loves. Italian dry salami. We got 4 of these frost. These are their versions of ices, and the one that we got one from Costco, and they didn't have lemonade, which is our favorite, which, come on, you need it. It's summer. Hello. 4 of the bacon, thick sliced bacon. These are one of them I'm going to cook now in the way that I always do it. It's like a sweet maple bacon with a little bit of spice. I add some cayenne. It's amazing, and I pretty much try to always have it in there. A package of eggs and 2, I don't know if I said the broccoli florets, 2 of these broccoli florets, and then the non-keto food items non-food items that we got are this 12-pack of toilet paper and this Tide. So yeah, and this came to, let me see here, it came to $111.59. So that's it. Also, you saw we went to get pillows today, and Jarrell is putting them in their proverbial covers, and these are for the guest room. I'm obsessed. I got these months ago. Look how cute they are, and there's 4. Okay, so this is the anchor ones. Oh, I love it. How cute, babe. Very cute. Let's show them the other ones. Okay, so we got that. We got starfish. And so obsessed. Starfish, and then this is coral. Come on, how cute
and
is this?
And there's one in the room already.
Oh, and there's one in the room already. Oh, you already put it in?
Yeah, I already put it in.
Oh, let me see. We're also, I don't know, I've decided that I don't like this bedspread. I don't like the stripes. So, here's the other one. Look. It's seahorses. Come on. I love it. So those are the pillows we're gonna get. I think we're gonna do just I want like a plain white or something like that, and then these pillows will be like the stripes and the pillows, but these stripes and those stripes, it's too much. Sneak peek of the next cooking video. This is what I'm making with the Greek, with the tomatoes and the spinach and the feta and lemon and some dill. So this is orzo rice pasta from the Great Low Carb Bread Company. They make great pasta. It really is like affordable. It's not as low carb as the Nuda pasta. That's my favorite. But this has about 7 net carbs. But if you add a bunch of stuff to it, this is just going to be a side dish, not a main dish. So that way you can keep it to the 4 servings that are in this bag. So stick around. That's going to be next. Guys, I just stuffed in next to Jarrell. He's like working, and I was like, let me in here. You love me.
I know I do. I can't get to the pillow. I'm trying to stuff this pillow, and he's sitting on it.
And I'll keep sitting on it. Anyway, I love you guys. We love you guys.
Yes, we do.
Thank you for joining us on today's episode of BoosCruize. We took you downtown. We had a huge, giant fail at the post office. We'll
try it again next week.
I know. Once you guys, once that we get it, we will tell you and we'll post a picture of us with the keys, and then you guys can write to us and send us cute things. It'll be like a personal thing. Ugh, I'm so excited to connect with you guys. Anyway, we love you. Follow us. It's at BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize.
Z, because you're worth it.
E. And make sure you check down in the description box below for our favorite low carb products, keto products, and our Amazon stuff. We love you. See you over at Facebook and Instagram.